Okay. How are you doing today, Miss Brown?
I'm doing well. And you?
I am doing great. So, I want to ask you some questions. And the first question that I want to ask you is how long have you been teaching entry level phlebotomy students?
So I've been teaching the entry level phlebotomy classes now for 22 years. We started back in 1999 and we're still going strong.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, how was the instructor workshop training? Being so that you already been teaching for so long, have you did it teach you or help you anyway or enhance you?
The workshop instructor training actually helped me to get a little more organized. Even though I've been teaching for 22 years, the workshop sort of helped me to bring it all together, which I really like that. And even as far as, adding some different things on to, your lesson plans and also even helping students that may have some kind of disability or something like that. So the instructor workshop sort of helped me just get more rounded, and I got a lot out of the workshop. It really helped me in a lot of different areas. Also, as far as for my grading, the students and how to look at things a little different, and then also how to handle different students that may have disabilities too, even with their learning process. So the workshop was very, very helpful to me.
Wonderful. How would you say how would you say networking with Black Enterprise Consulting? How is that? How do you feel that's going?
I would say that networking with Black Enterprise was a godsend for me. It really helped me to look beyond my little four walls here in Mississippi. And it really helped me to just understand a little more depth as far as phlebotomy and how we're seen in the healthcare field. So, Black Enterprise sort of helped me to understand the positive that we need to really bring out with our phlebotomists and helping them to understand how important it is to be certified and to have that credentials behind your name, and to sort of help the students understand that they are part of the healthcare team and that they are a very needed part of the healthcare team. So the networking really worked out very well for me.
Okay. Is the networking still going on?
Yes, it is. It is still going on, and like I said, it was God sent for me. I have a lot more dreams and visions that I want to see done, not just in Mississippi, but also I want to take it to a further region. And I believe that working with Black Enterprise have connected me with other people that's also in the medical healthcare field in phlebotomy in different states that are also I can learn from and they can learn from me. So it's definitely a relationship that I want to continue to keep going on, and that I'm able to help other people through our connections with Black Enterprise.
Wonderful. And would you recommend Black Enterprise Consulting to anyone? Would you recommend them?
I definitely would. I would recommend Black Enterprise for, especially for those who really have a desire to help others, and you want to see your business as a phlebotomy instructor going on to a phlebotomy teacher, actually owning your own phlebotomy business, grow. I believe that Black Enterprise is a positive a place where you can start from the ground up, and I believe that they are very equipped with what you would need to make sure that your phlebotomy program is one of the best in the state and in the nation. So I would definitely recommend Black Enterprise.
Okay, so that's all that we have for today, and thank you so much for taking time out to letting us know about what you see in Black Enterprise Consulting and taking people on your journey.
Okay, thank you.